Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to update to the ultimate version your application of Playstore. So this is an easy process to do. The first step is go to Playstore, and here in the application you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your profile. And here in the option of your profile you need to go to settings, the last option here, and after that you need to pick here the option of about. So in about you can see the ultimate option, and if you want to update for checking if you got the ultimate option the ultimate update, you need to pick here in update Play Store, and like you see Google Play Store is to update is update in the ultimate version. And this is the option you can update like from the same application. You see here the version, and you pick in update Play Store. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.